So in our own language, they call this, so they use what they speak. So if I want to communicate with somebody now, and I don't want to talk to that person, so I can use this one to talk to that person direct. Like what I just said now is dancer Yoruba, ojoojúmọ́ lóore rẹ̀ sí mi, dancer Yoruba. So that is dancer Yoruba. And you want to speak in, I want to communicate with you, and I want to talk. Like I will be beating down this drumming proverb in a parable way. So you will use your brain to turn it to music, like àwa làgbà. So we call this drum ìyálù in Yoruba language, ìyálù. So what I just sing now is àwa làgbà, adìrẹ funfun làgbà, adìyẹ àwa làgbà. So you now turn it to, me I'm speaking it in proverb, so you now turn it to singing. So àwa làgbà, adìyẹ funfun, that is dòré dòdò, ré dòré ré ré dòdòdò ré dòré dòré dòdò. So that is for this one. This is they used to use this one in party. You see this one when they are doing occasionally, maybe they are doing oku. You see these Baba people, they used to carry it along. So they use it to entertain people for there.
But basically the drum na proverb we dey speak.
Na proverb.
And people wey dey understand the.
But this one is meant for this our elderly daddies.
Okay.
They used to use this one to entertain themselves. So when it comes to our own age, this is what we are using.
Okay.
We are using these ones. You can easily see this one in churches. So the beats in churches, maybe for example like this. So this one is we call it adidulele. You can use one to dance here in church, and celebrate, and dance ahead. This is talking drum.
Talking drum.
This one we are using this in our own age now. This one in the Yoruba they call it gangan. And so they also call some kenago. So we are different of where name they call this pen. So kenago is different with this one. Kenago is quite long, a little bit than this one. But most people nowadays they are using talking drum. So this is talking drum. Ibi tó sọ̀rọ̀. But if I want to abuse it, I can abuse it in this thing in the drum.
But it only those that understand the language of the drum.
Even for
every other person understand the language.
Not all Yoruba o. So that is for talking drum. This is talking drum. So most people nowadays are using this one. It's anywhere you can use it. Even in this club now, they are not using this iPad people. They are not using it now for birthday. People want to celebrate or anything. They are using this one. So it's commonly used everywhere now, mostly. So that is for talking drum. Now for this is sakara. This is sakara. This is all our babas, like baristas, Ayinla Omowura. I don't know, maybe you hear that one. So Epo Akara. This is all our forefathers started with. Okay. So you want to beat it, it's not like this one that you do like this. You be pressing it here. So you want to adjust the volume now. So this is sakara. So sakara. Like this type currency people now, they use this thing because it's very easy to beat. For me, but some people too, you can beat it because it's more adjustable here. You can just adjust. It's not like this. Do, re, mi. So you can just use do, re, mi. So it's very easy to operate. This one is very
Mostly
easy.
use in church.
Mostly no, they don't use this in church mostly. No, mostly Fuji people. This our ancient Davids like the Ayalamawura, we mostly use this one. So this is for Sakara.
Oh, okay.
So that's it. Now, now we call this one. We call this one Bandiri. This one was originated from this Indian. So we now copy it because if you see most people, Indian people, they used to do this or something like this. If you see Indian film, that is so. Now we copy it and make it Bandiri. We call this one Bandiri. So most people used to use this one. They are doing maybe Nemi or they are doing a kai, or maybe they are going for like Christian. They will say we are going for evangelism. Maybe they want to do this. They want to walk around. They want to do this evangelism around. Mostly they use this one. So they beat it like this. So that's why they do this one. They beat it like samba. So this is Bandiri. They have big one. This is the big one, and the small one they call it Shana. The smallest one they call it Bano. So that's how it is. That's for the Bandiri.
Okay.
So for bass now, this is bass.
Yeah.
This is where we started from. Like churches like Kerubu, most Celestial they don't use to use this one, but mostly Kerubu, because most churches nowadays that are originated from Kerubu. Even Redeemed Church says from Kerubu listed. So we start from this. This is bass. So they did it with something like this. We call it Agbamole. This one is something like this and here. So they did it like this. So that's why they used to do this one. This Agbamole with space. So that's for this one. And they also use this one too. This one. Can come over here. So they use this one too. So this mostly now, this one people are using now. We call this one Agelu. In Yoruba language, we call this one Agelu. Agelu. Okay. Most people they love this drum. He always come with 4, 5, 6. Mostly it used to be plenty more than this. Plenty. But this is 3.
Okay.
Also have bass here. Some want to do bass here by the 4, some by the 5, 6, 7, something like that. But me, I can beat only 3 drums.
Okay.
That's good. Manche, we call it a root of wood, root of tree, root of tree. So we call it ekai. That manche. So that's what makes it to be bending like this. And this is what they use it to beat either iyalu or talking drum or mele. So this is what they are using. Without this one, you cannot beat it. You cannot beat any talking drum.
And you cannot use any stick.
You cannot use any stick to beat it. This is what you can use to beat talking drum. This one we call it gangan in Yoruba. Gangan.
Okay.
Atinamon gangan. This one we can call it gangan. That's for this one. And this shekere. We call this one shekere studio. Mostly studio people used to do this one. But like the beat is somehow you have different style you can use to beat it. So different style you can use to do this one. You can beat it like this. So many styles to beat this one. And this is shekere. This is the big one.
The big one, right?
The biggest one. So most of this one they use, but mostly Kerubu like these ones.
Which people? Cherubu, okay.
Yeah, they like these ones.
Okay.
And some they can write name on it. Some are bigger than this one though. So like the one my wife is doing now, they can put name on it. Some will write Eri, something like that. So it's more
Is
interesting.
it same with this one?
That
This and this are they the
all
same?
this one are just normal sekere.
Sekere, okay.
Normal sekere. But all this one they can beat it. They have group for this one. They are groups. Group of people that can use this one for
Okay,
groups.
okay.
Like that. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's for that one.
Okay.
And this is this one now is like this one is oracle drum.
Oracle.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's oracle drum. I cannot be using my mouth to be saying all that.
Okay.
Yeah, because we have protocol. You cannot be talking anyhow. But with this one, you can use this. Some people use it for decoration, but mostly it's like an initiation drum.
Initiation.
Initiation.
Okay.
Like cultists.
Okay.
Mostly they use this one. They have big one of this one. Oh. That one big one. They used to use the big thing to be marking it like this. So this one mostly they can call this one. Don't worry about that one, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
But mostly we use our gala for this one. I don't know what they call our gala in
English.
So this is our gala.
Our gala. Okay.
So anything drum, oracle drums, we use our gala to build it.
Yeah, but oracle drums, the talking drums,
Yeah, drums
can
are-
they be used to invoke spirits of the ancestors?
You need talking drum.
Talking drums or this one, the
You
oracle
can use
drums?
talking drum. Well, not all this kind of talking drum.
Not all these ones.
The
Okay.
talking drum we use, mostly their wood is the black, like the ancient wood.
Okay.
Because that wood akọ igi ọmọ. All these ones they are igi ọmọ, but they have value more than themselves. And if you use that one, they used to put something at the edge of it. Any drum you see, they used to put Yorùbá máa ń pè ní ọ̀sìn gbẹ́rẹ́ sí ọ̀sìn etí ẹ̀. So the shape used to be like this. Let me have a pen. So the shape used to have to be like this. Any drum you see any shape like this. Shape like this. So wọ́n dẹ̀ máa tún pè ní ojúbọ. So that this shape now they will now put it through. So that's what they call it, something very simple. So anytime they put this sign there in the wood,
Yeah.
so if you see it, you know that. So run for your life. They can even use that. Even this thing, you can put it in that yam, and most people they can use it to harm anybody. Because it's like maybe you are doing incantation now, maybe you go for traditional something. So one single thing, Lala. If they want to do ayata now, they must do better for your body, and they shoot you, no enter. So anything they do this thing, they put out for drum.
This is very sign.
This time put out for drum like this. So mostly they put it here. It used to come like this.
Okay.
So those drums, but not this kind of drum. Those drums, even I have the wood sometimes ago, maybe I sold it to someone like that. So that's it. So this one now we call this one Shekere Alaje.
Shekere Alaje. Okay.
This is what they call Shekere Gangan. This is Shekere Gangan.
The one that has beads.
The one that old beads, that is cowries. Now until we now make it to, now we are now using plastic. We are not using beads. Before we are now using plastic bead. But this is what they call Shekere Gangan.
Shekere Gangan. Okay.
This one now they can use it for this ancient king, king. They beat this one. Cannot beat this one for king. They will not dance it. So this one is for king. This Shekere Alaje. This one they use this one for so many things. I cannot even talk about. So for good things.
Yeah. Not bad things, right?
Because anything that you call cowries is deal with money.
Yeah.
So that's it about this one. So that's it.
Well done.
Yeah.